What's going on, boys and girls? I wanted to make this quick scrambled egg video for you. We're going to make some Cantonese scrambled eggs. And guys, I know you've probably never heard of this, and I've done this recipe before, but if you're new to this channel, I want you to try these Cantonese scrambled eggs. They've got some different ingredients in it, but I think you're going to really like it. And I tried them the first time, and I loved them, and I am an egg connoisseur. So you try it, you let me know if you like it. Alrighty, we're going to start off with 6 jumbo eggs here. I usually use some of this egg. It's like an egg product. It like just adds a little bit of both to the egg. You don't really have to use that. You don't have to include that in there. We're going to use some white pepper, some sesame oil, some sugar. That's usually what surprises people. Some cornstarch, some chicken powder, or you can use some MSG, some Zhaoxing cooking wine, and some sea salt. All right, so of course we're going to crack 6 eggs. Then we're going to add in just a small amount of the egg substitute here. And this is not substitute, guys. These are just egg whites with some yellow added to them. So we're going to add about half a cup of that in there. We're going to add in a half a teaspoon of salt, about an eighth of a teaspoon of white pepper, a half a teaspoon of sugar. And again, the sugar is what surprises you. About an eighth of a teaspoon of the chicken powder, about a half a teaspoon of the Zhaoxing cooking wine. And Zhaoxing cooking wine, you may have to go online. I got mine from Amazon. And 1 teaspoon, wow, I had to sneeze, 1 teaspoon of the sesame oil. And again, guys, if you do it the exact same way I'm doing mine, it'll come out good every time. All right, now we're going to give them a little bit of whip here. Just mix everything in there. And you want to whip these until they're bubbly, y'all. Just get everything mixed in. Until they're nice and bubbly. In the meantime, go ahead and set your eye of your stove to about medium heat. So you see how they're bubbly in there like that? That's what you want. All right, guys, like I said, we're going to heat the oil up to about a little bit less than medium is what it is. You can use a little bit of sesame oil in here. I was cooking some bacon, so that's got some bacon oil in there. So, and you guys don't have to use it. You know, don't be sending me some bad comments because I'm using the pig oil, and so no big deal. I'm just going to add the eggs to this. Get it all out there. But again, the oil really doesn't make a difference. We're going to let the bottom of these set for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. That's why you don't want it turned up real high. Just want that bottom to set. You want to see the edges start to come up like this. We don't want to burn it now. And then we're going to start to move it around just a second. Alrighty, after about 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to move everything to the center here. And then you're just going to scramble these the way you normally scramble them, guys. Just move everything to the center. Letting everything collect. Now, I like soft scrambled eggs, so if you like yours a little bit harder, you may not do yours the same way. But we're just going to keep on moving everything to the center here. And you'll start to see it come together. Won't take very long. Let it sit for another minute or so, just to kind of denature. All right, we let that go for about a minute or so. We're just gonna keep on moving everything to the center. See how it's all coming together, but it's not burning. And again, people do their eggs differently now. So if you do yours differently, you do yours your way. This is the way I do mine. Just bring everything to the center, because it cooks as the edges cook as you bring the other stuff to the top. And we're getting close to where I like mine. I mean, I don't like them this runny, but I like mine to have a little bit of moisture to them. Again, if you like yours kind of hardened, that's totally up to you. It's not going to really change the taste of it. At this point too, y'all, you can go ahead and turn the heat off because the pan will retain a lot of the heat. And see, those are good right there. That's how I like mine right there. So we're going to go ahead and put these in a plate and we're going to eat. Alrighty, guys, there you have it. Cantonese scrambled eggs. Again, if you like yours a little bit harder, cook yours a little bit harder. Mine actually could have been a little bit softer, but these are going to be good. Try them. Let me know if you like them. Like this video. Give me a comment. Add me to your favorites and come back and see us again, y'all. Y'all have a great day. Peace.